Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install bulk crap uninstaller on Windows in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official bulk crap uninstaller website. You can download it here. Bulk crap uninstaller official website. On the download page, click download and choose the latest setup version for Windows. The latest release is version 6.20. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Select your preferred language and click OK. Read the license agreement, then click I agree. Choose the installation location, or leave the default folder, then click Next. Select the components you want to install, leave the default options if you're unsure, and click Next. Choose whether to create desktop and start menu shortcuts, then click Install. Wait a few seconds while the installation finishes. When the installation is complete, keep Launch Bulk Crap Uninstaller checked if you want to open it immediately, then click Finish. That's it. You have successfully installed Bulk Crap Uninstaller on your Windows PC. You can now use it to uninstall programs, remove leftover files, and manage installed applications more efficiently.